Okay, so I got this Sloomoo slime yesterday. It was $25. So let's open it. I'm so excited. It was actually my first time going to Sloomoo. There's scissors. I'm just trying to smell it for you guys. So, it's a boba slime. Pineapple Sunshine Boba. It's an Eden level intermediate scented pineapple coconut, and it's a clear snowfish slime. It comes with this. It comes with this jar. Which is actually the soap cat. I just need to. That was strange. It comes with this coconut milk scented like pineapple coconut, and it's a thick and glossy slime. Also comes with these jets. It also comes with it also comes with this straw and this. And I don't really know what this is, but I think I know it. It goes right here. Yeah, it does. It goes right here. Just go right here. It goes here. Here. Now let's figure out where the boba's. And this, I'm just gonna put this here. Now let's start with the boba slime. Oh my gosh, that smells so nice. Do you have activator pen? I don't have any activator with me, so I'm just gonna hope. Oh, the slime's good. I like it. I like it. And we're gonna put that back in its container. Now it's time for the thick and glossy slime. I'm gonna see how good a bubble pop. Yeah, those are nice pops. These are nice. Okay, now that we're done with that, we have these. I'll bring one out for you guys. See their little gems. Now it's time for the boba beads. Giant boba bead. Now it's time to assemble. We start with the boba. Then we put on the thick and glossy slime. I love thick and glossy slimes. I think we have to mix it all together. Yeah, we are. Just sprinkle some on there. They're meant to be like East. I'm leaving a little bit. I don't want to save these for my DIY slime. I've never posted a DIY slime video before, but wait soon. all the boba pea. I'm gonna go add the straw. I'm going to put the straw in. Look. Yeah, I didn't touch anything, luckily. Wait. Okay. Now we're gonna mix it all together. Oh, that was hard. I need to pull the stick out. Oh, that's something. I don't know what to say about that, but except for it's something. Oh, puppies keep falling out. So, I am a family-friendly channel. I do not curse or cuss because I'm a 7-year-old here. I know. Why is a 7-year-old posting YouTube videos? Because I want to. Also, I'm never gonna. Also, I already said this in one video, but I'm gonna say it again. Once I get to 10 subscribers, I will do Uwu. If this video gets 100 likes or more, 90 likes or more, I will do it in the next video. I will do it sooner because I don't think I'm going to get to 10 subscribers anytime soon. So, that's slime. Put it back away. So, bye guys. I don't have an outro.